Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 27 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones healthy and safe. So as I was thinking about today's quote, I was reflecting on some of the comments and some of the photos that you have been sending in. And I get the sense that, in your remote work locations, that there's lots going on, lots of distractions, good distractions. And I got to thinking, I wonder if we are spending enough time doing the small things while all these big things seem to be swirling around us. So I found this quote by Galileo Galilei, which I think is quite relevant today. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. Indeed. So I hope you're spending some time doing the little things. I know I'm giving it my best shot as well. So thank you for your continued positive response to this project. Please keep sending your photos in, your stories in, and your birthplaces or your hometowns in, so we can continue to populate our virtual hometown map. So we have 4 more hometowns submitted, 2 from Florida, 1 from Lutz and 1 from Zephyr Hills. And you probably recall Zephyr Hills from the bottled water. And then we have 1 Italian from the island of Sardinia. And then we have staff member from Paris, France. So Lorraine Sanin says that she really misses French baguettes and misses taking the subway. I don't miss the subways, but I most certainly miss not being able to go to a coffee shop and having a great cup of coffee and a nice, wonderful baguette. I'm looking forward to being able to do that again. Russell Ney grew up right near Wesley Chapel. He's from Lutz, Florida. But he said something interesting I didn't know. He said that Wesley Chapel is one of the fastest expanding, and I quote, census-designated place in the nation. So apparently it's not a city yet. I didn't know that. Cicinio Concas was born in Italy on the island of Sardinia. His whole family's from there, and they've been in transportation since the early 1900s. And take a look at some of the beautiful photos that he submitted. And also note that many of his family members apparently were born in train stations. So I'm fascinated by that. I'd like to learn more about that. And we had a wonderful set of pictures and video from Laura Bucherik. Apparently a family of cranes have decided to move into her neighborhood, and she's got a video of them stopping traffic. So I've noticed that a little bit myself. I had stopped here on the campus just yesterday when a very large turtle very slowly crossed the road. So I love the cranes, by the way. So let me end by saying that I know that some of us are struggling with family members and friends who are ill. There are some of us who have family members and friends who have passed away. And so I just want you to know that, my thoughts are with you. And I would ask all of us, to continue to think about each other in this difficult time when, family and friends and loved ones are getting sick and in some cases passing away. So I want to thank you all for all that you're doing for the college, all you're doing for our students and their student success, all you do for each other. And as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll talk soon.